If you're over 60 and you've noticed that your legs don't feel as strong as they used to, if climbing stairs feels harder, if getting up from a chair takes effort, or if you're scared of falling, stop what you're doing and watch this video. Because what I'm about to share with you is not what your doctor told you, it's not what Google says, and it's definitely not squats. My name is Ams, and I've spent years working with men and women just like you, people in their 60s, 70s, even 80s who were told their leg strength was just gone, that this was just aging, that there was nothing they could do. That's a lie, and today I'm going to prove it to you. Let me tell you about Margaret. She was 68 years old, a grandmother of 4. She used to walk 2 miles every morning. She used to dance at her granddaughter's birthday parties. Then one day she fell in her kitchen. Nothing broke, thank God, but something broke inside her. She became afraid. She started holding on to walls. She stopped going out. She said to me, and I'll never forget this, she said, "I feel like I'm disappearing." I want you to know, if you felt even a little bit like Margaret, you are not alone, and you are not done. Margaret is now 71. She walks 3 miles a day. She danced at her granddaughter's wedding last spring. And she did it with exercises that most fitness trainers will never teach you because they simply don't know them. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Now, before I give you the exercises, I have to explain why squats are actually the worst thing you can do if you're starting to lose leg strength after 60. Here's the truth. As we age, our knees, our hips, our joints, they change. The cartilage thins, the muscles around the joint weaken, and when you try to do a squat with already weak legs and compromised joints, you put enormous pressure on the exact spots that are already struggling. That's why so many people try to get back in shape after 60, do squats, hurt their knees, and give up. And then they blame themselves. They say, "I'm just too old." No, they were just given the wrong advice. The science shows, and I'll put a study link in the description, the science shows that targeted low-impact resistance movements rebuild leg strength faster and more safely than squats for adults over 60. Let me show you exactly what those movements are. Exercise 1. Seated leg press against wall. Sit in a strong chair. Place both feet flat on the wall in front of you, hip-width apart. Now slowly press your feet into the wall. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. That's it. This activates your quadriceps, the most important muscle for getting up from chairs and climbing stairs, with 0 knee stress. Do 10 reps. Exercise 2. Heel raises, standing. Stand behind your chair. Hold the back lightly, just for balance. Rise up onto your toes. Hold for 3 seconds. Slowly lower back down. Repeat 15 times. This rebuilds your calves and your balance simultaneously. Fall prevention? This is fall prevention. Exercise 3. Side-lying leg lifts. Most important. Lie on your side. Keep your bottom leg straight. Lift your top leg slowly, about 18 inches. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower slowly. Do 12 reps on each side. This targets your hip abductors and glutes, the muscles that are almost always the real reason people feel unstable when walking. Most trainers skip these completely. Don't skip these. Exercise 4. Step taps. Stand in front of your bottom stair step. 1 foot at a time, tap your toe on the step and bring it back down. Alternate feet, slow and controlled, for 20 total taps. This builds coordination and strength at the same time. Coordination is what saves you from falls. Exercise 5. Sit to stand without hands. This is your progress test and your exercise. Sit on the edge of your chair. Cross your arms over your chest. Stand up using only your legs. Sit back down slowly. Repeat 8 times. If this is hard, that's okay. Put your hands on your knees at first. Each week, you'll need them less and less. The goal is 8 reps hands-free with control. Now, here is the most important part: how to fit this into your real life. Because I know you're not a gym person, I know you don't have hours, and that's completely fine. This is what I call the 12-minute leg rebuild routine. You do these 5 exercises 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday works great. Total time, 12 minutes. Week 1 and 2, focus on form, not reps. Do what you can. Weeks 3 and 4, you'll notice something. Stairs feel easier. Getting up is quicker. You feel steadier. Month 2, people will start to notice. Your family will notice. You will feel like yourself again. I want to say something personal before we wrap up. Getting older can feel like things are being taken away from you. Your energy, your independence, your confidence. But here's what I've seen over and over with hundreds of people just like you. The body at 60, 70, even 80 still wants to get stronger. It just needs the right signal. These exercises are that signal. You owe it to yourself. You owe it to the people who love you. And honestly, you owe it to the version of yourself who isn't done yet. Pause, breathe, then smile. If this video helped you, please share it with someone over 60 who needs to hear this. Hit the like button. It helps more seniors find this video. And subscribe, because every week I'm sharing the real science of aging well. And if you're already doing some of these exercises, drop a comment below. Tell me which one is hardest for you. I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of those legs. They'll take care of you.